guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you everything that I just got patched over at Stoney Clover Lane in New York. If you watched the last video that just went up, you'll see that I went down there to the store in their Soho location in New York and was able to get a bunch of things patched. I was hoping to add all that footage to the end of the video of me like showing what all I got, but unfortunately mom life, I just couldn't get my act together, so that's why this video is split into two parts. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I have a 2-year-old daughter named Lucia, a 17-year-old daughter named Jules. I love to go to Disney a lot. You'll see a lot of Disney vlogs on my channel. If that's something you're into, I would love it if you would stick around. So go ahead, hit the thumbs up, and let's get going. Alright, so as you can see, beautiful gift bag. It's actually like super sturdy. I haven't even opened it yet, guys, and I got this back like a week ago. So this is how they package everything, just kind of like when you buy stuff and it gets shipped to your house. Now, inside they gave me a New York postcard, and they also gave me a Stoney Clover Lane sticker. More stickers. I'm getting a whole collection of Stoney Clover. Alright, now let's check out the goods. Alright, so if you remember, for their sample sale, I picked up this large denim fanny pack, but it had this camping patch on it. I don't know if I ever showed footage of that, but it had this large camping patch, which I was like, I don't know, it just didn't make sense for me. But I bought it because I got a really great deal at the sample sale. Everything was like 70% off. So I had to find a patch that was going to be big enough. Now, I brought all this stuff to my job before I went and got this patch, and my coworker was slightly making fun of me, but I just think it's adorable. So here it is. That is the final outcome. So I'm very excited. My daughter and I leave for our next Disney trip in a little, actually I think a month from today. So I'm gonna try to bring this on. I didn't have like the greatest luck with my other jumbo fanny pack. I was always worried stuff was gonna fall out. But I'm gonna try it again because I think this will be great for maybe like my Hollywood studio day or something. So I'm very excited about this. Alright, so that's the first one. Then onto my large pouches. So Ariel. So, and also if you're new here, I don't have like a crazy amount of Stoney Clover, but I do have a few videos that you can reference. I'll link them down below so you could see some of the other Stoney Clover hauls that I've done, and you could see all like the pre-patched items that I bought. So this was in a video, I think like 2 videos ago. So this one I want to use on our upcoming Disney trip for like all of our swim gear. I think it'd be just adorable. And then this one, this is the Never Stop Dreaming collection. I put the Aurora here. I still haven't quite figured out, by the way, like what I'm gonna put in here. Probably clothes because you could see through it a little bit easier. Yeah, I don't know. Then I have another Aurora large pouch, which this one I had the crown. So I just put that one in the center. So this one I could easily put like our undergarments in there because it's a little bit more conspicuous. I think that's usually what I do, so I don't know if I'll use this for that, but anyway, this would be great for our Disney trip. And then another, I've got the mini bow. I thought this would be cute. I could put my daughter's like hair accessories or like the little ponytails or bows inside. And then this one, she's obsessed with Ariel, so I don't know, this also might be like a Lucia hair accessory kind of deal, but you know, I plan to make this hers. So this one I actually also got during this Stoney Clover sample sale a couple months ago in New York. So then I just bought this patch during their their Disney sale when all the patches were like 40% off. So I got this patch. So I don't know, let me know in the comments, what do you put in your small pouch? I know some people actually probably put these in the jumbo. You can put them in the jumbo fanny pack. They do fit. Yeah, easily. So obviously I could use it as like a wallet also, or put chapstick or random stuff. Last chance of things falling out, like room keys or whatever. So that might be another alternative, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments, what do you normally put? All right, now this is the last thing. So again, another one that I got at the sample sale. Got a great deal on this keychain wallet. I think it was like $18. So I bought it because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. Initially, I thought maybe I was going to do Ariel, but they actually had all of their NFL patches, not just, you know, sometimes when you go to like stores, they only have like the local teams. Like here in New York, I would expect that they would have like the Giants, Jets, whatever. They actually had all of the NFL teams, so I was able to get my Packers. So now I have something like that. So I've been rocking I have like another denim, the same color as this, with a smaller Mickey head keychain wallet that I've been using. So I think I might switch it out and use the denim Mickey one strictly when we're at Disney. It's getting a little beat up, but yeah, I like this. So be great for the fall too, to when, you know, my husband and I, sometimes we go out to the bars to watch the games in the fall, and I think this will be great. I can bring this along. So that's it. So that is all of everything that I got patched. Now if you watch my previous vlog, you'll know I was kind of bummed out because I really thought that because of their loyalty program that I was going to be able to get at least 2 of these for free, or maybe at least 1, because I've made it to like the second tier in their loyalty program. But there was a little bit of confusion in the store. The girl had to check because she's never done it, and I actually called also before I went, and she thought that it could be done. So, you know, I went down there and she checked with 2 people, and then she's like, oh, I'm sorry, because of our program, we can only offer those online. So I'm like, all right, whatever. So it did cost a little bit more than I was planning to spend, but at least it's all done now. I think I have pretty much almost everything that I want to patch. So yeah, if you stuck around this long, go ahead and leave, let's see, what should we do? Go ahead and leave a purse emoji in the comments down below. Like as mentioned before, I share a lot of Disney content on my channel. If that's something you're into, I would really love it if you would stick around, subscribe. That'll about do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!